Fellas, ladies and gents, first video really that I make with the engine in it. I put around roughly 3,000 miles in it already since the swap. Love it. It's a day and night difference. 3RZ. Right now what I'm doing, and just for if y'all don't know, it's an 84 tail to pickup. Solid axle. Had a 22R in it. And put 3RZ in it. 2RZ I mean. And the 2RZ is a two-wheel drive. And as you see, it's got that oil pump, the front sump. And what I'm doing is I'm going to put high crossover steering on it. And I'm going to eliminate that oil pump. And I got the LCE engineered oil pan and oil pickup tube to move this to the rear, and then that way it clears the high steer. But just a video of when I'm gonna do that right now. So far so good on the swap. There's the exhaust that I did right there, because on the 22R it goes down the driver's side, so I made this little contraption here. Alright, so keep the video simple. That's about it. It's far from being done. Got lockers. I got a gear coming up, gearing. Some armor on it. And it's coming out pretty good.